Hello everyone, my name is Sayasmi, and today I am making a fantastic video of Python, and in this video we will be covering three chapters of list, which are copy list, join list, and list methods. Uh, After we do this, we are going to our list chapter is going to get finished, and yeah. So let's get on the video. Okay, 1 minute, sweethearts. Where is W3 schools? Here it is. Learn Python and create this list. Okay, so see copy list. Copy list is really small. Then join list. Join list is really small. And then list methods. List methods, we have almost done all of them. Okay, so a bit, right? I have to tell you. So copy list. Let's get on. You cannot copy a list simply by typing list 2 is equal to list 1 because list 2 will only be a reference to list 1 and changes made in list 1 will automatically also be made in list 2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is used to use the built-in list method. Copy. So you must have not understood this line, but with the example you will. Okay. So see. Example. Make a copy of a list with the copy method. So if you want to copy this list, as you will have to write my list is equal to this list dot copy, and it will copy it, and then you say print my list, then it will print apple banana cherry because it's printing what it copied. Okay, let's go on. Another way to make a copy is use the built-in method list. So list and copy are the same, so they do the same, and just the syntax, the writing is different, but the logic and everything is same. So make a copy of a list with the list method. Say this list, and then you say my list is equal to list this list, print my list. It will still print apple banana cherry. It's printing the copied text. Okay. Fast man. Copy list done. Next chapter. Python join lists. Join two lists. There are several ways to join or concatenate, sorry. Two or more lists in Python. One of the easiest way are by using the plus operator. We had read about this in the Python operators chapter. You may see the video if you don't remember. Join two lists. List 1, you are writing A, B, C. List 2, you are writing 1, 2, 3. Then you're saying list 3, list 1 plus list 2. And then you're saying print list 3. It will print apple, banana. Sorry. sorry. A, it will print A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Another way to join two lists are appending all the items for list 2 into list 1 by one. Append list 1 into list 1. So another way to do this is you made the list 1, then you made the list 2, then you have made a for loop at for x in list 2, list 1 dot append x. So, and then you say print list 1. So just come on the for loop. In this right now, x value is 1. Okay. Then it will be list 1 dot append x. So it will put 1 after c. Then it will go in the for loop. right now the value of x is 2. It will see this statement list1 append list1 dot append x, and it will put 2 after 1, right? No, it will put 1. No, it will put 2 after 1, right? Then x value is 3. It will go in this it will be this, it says list1 dot append x, and it will put 3 at the end after 2, okay? And then print this. So it's another way, right? Apple A, B, C 1, 2, 3. Or you can extend, or you can use the extend method, which purpose is to add elements from one list to another list. Or you can use the extend method, and I have told you about the extend method in the previous video, so go there and see. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, so it was in my add list items video, right? So you can go there and learn. Okay, where am I? Sorry. Yeah, so you can do the same thing, get the same output, and by using the extend method, like you make two lists, list 1 and list 2, you know the values, and then you say list 1 dot extend list 2. So it will put the list 2's value in list 1, and then you simply print list 1, so it will print ABC and 1, 2, 3. And now we are going to come on to the last chapter, and we are going to finish the lists in Python. Okay, so append method, you know, adds an element at the end of the list. Clear method, you know, removes all the elements from the list. Copy returns the copy of the list. You know this. Count returns the number of elements with the specified value. You don't know this. Count tears, like basically, see, here's an example. You have made a fruit list, okay, and you then say x is equal to fruit that count cherry. So it will count that how much time cherry is in list, fruits list. It's one time, it will, the output is 1, right? Okay, now extend, you know, index, you don't know. Index means returns the index of the first element with the specified value. So like you have made a fruits list, right? Then you say x is equal to fruit dot index cherry. So it just tells the index of what you have written in here and where it is. So right now in the list cherry is in the index 2, so the output is 2. And then insert, you know, pop, you know, remove, you know, reverse, you know, and sort, you know. And now we'll just read the descriptions fast. Append adds an elements at the end of the list. Clear removes all the elements from the list. Copy return the copy of the list. Count returns the number of elements with the specified value. Extend add the elements of a list or any iterable to the end of the current list. Index returns the index of the first element with the specified value. Insert adds an element at the specified position. Pop removes the element at the specified position. Removes the items with the specified value. Reverse the order of the list. And sorts the list. And we are done with list. Okay. So guys, I hope you liked this video. It was fantastic to teach you and finish the list chapter. See you in the next videos. Bye. Stay safe.